Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Terror group threatens non-locals in Jammu and Kashmir who complained against students celebrating Pakistan win. Terror outfit United Liberation Front has threatened those who lodged a complaint against the medical students in Srinagar for celebrating the Pakistan cricket team's win against India in Sunday T20 World Cup match. The ULF said that they were aware of who filed the police complaint and told them to apologize within 48 hours or face consequences. We are having full input on who is behind these FIRs. The non-local employees and students are warned not to indulge in such activities, the militant group said in statement. The ULF had claimed responsibility for the attack on migrant workers in South Kashmir and Anantnag earlier this month. Videos of celebrations at many places in the valley went viral on social media after Pakistan secured a 10-wicket win over India in the match. Firecrackers were also burst. The JK Students Association has urged Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha to withdraw the UAPA charges on humanitarian grounds. Anyone who poses a threat to the territorial integrity and sovereignty of our motherland will be bulldozed and crushed. FIRs have been registered against those who celebrated Pakistan's win in the Kashmir and elsewhere and created a ruckus under a conspiracy are behind identified. Police, CID and NIA are taking actions against them and all of them will be put in jail, Rana said. Your husband will be killed, former Bengal Chief Secretary's wife receives threat later. Former West Bengal Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay, currently serving as the Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister, has received a death threat to a letter that was sent to his wife. His wife, Sonali Chakraborty, Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University, received a letter which threatened to kill her husband. The letter read, "Madam, your husband will be killed and nobody can save the life of your husband." A complaint has been registered with the Kolkata police and a search of the accused has been initiated. Alapan Bandyopadhyay has always been a silent worker and is known to speak much. A 1978 batch IAS officers of West Bengal cadre Alapan Bandyopadhyay is known for going by the rule book during his tenure as Chief Secretary. Bandyopadhyay, known to be a good speaker, was respected on both sides of the political spectrum, even though the TMC government has a running feud with the governor. Jagdeep Dhankar has good personal relations with him. He had his ambitions clear in class 11 of becoming an IAS officer and took humanities even though his school friends thought he would go for science or pursue engineering. Alapan Bandyopadhyay is an alumnus of Presidency University where he did his graduation in political science. He then did his masters at Calcutta University. My soulmate not lover, former Pak journalist Arusa Alam on Amrinder Singh. Arusa Alam, Captain Amrinder Singh, longtime friend and a former journalist from Pakistan, has been pulled into political slanging match in Punjab on Wednesday. In an exclusive conversation with India Today from Islamabad, she reversed all the allegations of links with the ISI and of influencing Amrinder Singh when he was the Punjab Chief Minister. "We have been companions. When I first met him, I was 56 and he was around 66. At such an age, you were not looking for lovers. We were friends, companions and soulmates," she said. "We meet at a juncture in a life where love, affairs and romance don't matter. We have been soulmates and good family friends. I have met his mother, his family, his sisters." In a press drive, Punjab Deputy Chief Minister Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa invoked religion to say that love affairs were not allowed in the Sikh religion. Even in Gurbani, living with another woman is considered wrong. Captain and I fought in America as well as regarding the issue of Arusa Alam, he had said on Tuesday. He added, "You were a minister in my cabinet. Never heard you complain about Arusa Alam, and she had been coming for 16 years with due government of India clearance. Or are you alleging that both the NDA and Congress-led UPA government in this period connived with Pakistan ISI?" Arusa Alam rubbished the allegation by saying that the politicians are questioning the Indian security agencies when they say an ISI agent was allowed entry into the India for the past 16 years. Alam's response was a bitter personal attack on the Sindhu couple. She asked them to first look within before raising questions about the integrity of someone else.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.